Alright, we're going to do median and mode today. The median is order the numbers and find the number in the middle. The mode is find the number or numbers that appear most. You can also have no mode. You'll always have a median, but you don't necessarily always have a mode. You could have one mode, you could have two modes, you could have three modes. So mode is one of those that you can get multiple answers for. So let's do some practice with this. So let's start with the set of numbers. So let's say we have 8, 9, 9, 12, and 15. So in this case, I put them in order to start with, so I just find the number in the middle. So I just start on each side, cross off numbers until I get to the middle, and I get to 9. So my median is 9. And then the mode is the number that appears most. So I have two 9s there, so 9 would be my mode. We're going to do some more practice with this. Alright, so I have another set of numbers here. So I'm going to start with my median. So I got to put these in order. So my smallest number is 61. And I like to cross them off as I do this. And then 72, that way I don't forget a number. Then 83. And then 88. 95. And 100. So I do the same thing, cross off till I get to the middle. Oh, and I got two numbers in the middle. So I got to find the middle of those two numbers. So the easiest way to do that is to add those up, 88 and 83. 8 plus 3 is 11, carry the 1, 16 plus 1 is 17, so I get 171, and then I take that 171 and I divide it by 2. So 2 goes into 17 8 times, which is 16. Subtract, bring down the 1, I get 11. 2 goes into 11 5 times, with 1 left over. Add a decimal and a 0, bring it down. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So my median is 85 and 5/10. Anytime you do median, you'll either get a whole number or one that ends in 5/10, because you're always dividing by 2. So it's either going to be a whole number or something with a 5/10 in it. And then our mode is the number that appears most. Well, if you look at that set of data, there's no number that appears more than once. So in that case, there is no mode. Alright, we're going to do one more set of data here. And on this one, I'm going to start with the mode. It doesn't really matter which one you start with, but I'm going to start with the mode. So I got 5, 8, 7, 5, 9, 7, and 6. So if I look at this, I have two 5s, but I also have two 7s. So my mode is both 5 and 7. So in this case, I have two modes. And then for the median, you need to put those numbers in order from least to greatest. So I got 5, and then another 5. Then a 6, two 7s, an 8, and a 9. Alright, so find the middle number, start crossing off. And my middle number is 7. So my median there is 7. So that's how you find median and mode.